If you want your children to remember you as the understanding, loving, caring mom, but instead you feel that they're getting the worst of you, you might be stuck in a vicious cycle of you trying to be kind until you cannot hold it any longer after repeating yourself over and over again, so you end up yelling or becoming permissive and giving in. High Impact Club is a parenting education online platform that will help you break your vicious cycle so you become that loving, gentle parent that your children deserve. All our products, our digital guides, our online workshops, and the Parenting with Understanding program are designed to equip you with the skills that you need to break your vicious cycle. You will regain the confidence that your children are going to grow up remembering the loving, caring mom that knew how to guide them effectively through emotions and their behaviors. My name is Marcela Collier. I'm a parenting coach, founder of High Impact Club, and the creator of the Parenting with Understanding program. Growing up in an old school traditional home, I was spanked, I was put in a corner, I was forced to be quiet, and many times I was forced to hold my tears. When I became a mom, I knew exactly what I didn't want for my children. I didn't want them to grow up in fear. I wanted them to be kind, yet bold and confident individuals. After providing therapeutic services for many children in the foster care system and coaching hundreds of parents around the world, I know that kindness alone is not enough to respond effectively to children's behaviors. Kindness is important, but it needs to be paired up with the understanding of what our children's behaviors really mean, so we know how to respond with what they need. That is parenting with understanding. And that's what I teach in High Impact Club. The core principle of parenting with understanding is that every single behavior is communication. It's either the communication of a missing skill or a missing need. All High Impact Club's products are based on parenting with understanding, according to the specific topic taught in that product. The Parenting with Understanding program is High Impact Club's most comprehensive product. In this program, you are equipped with the 3 skills you need to respond to any kind of behavior with what your children exactly need. And it is not just the most comprehensive program that we have, it is the only program that has direct access to Marcela, to me, your parenting coach, through our weekly live group coaching sessions where members are able to come and interact directly with me and get their questions answered. That's the only program that I can directly guide you and hold your hand through your parenting with understanding journey. If you've tried really hard to break your vicious cycle but you haven't been able to, it is not a sign that you are a failure or that you failed as a parent. It is the sign that you are at your starting point and you don't have to go on this road alone. High Impact Club is here to help you. If you need to solve a specific problem or tackle a specific behavior or situation with your child, High Impact Club's digital guides and workshops are going to give you those specific answers. If you feel that your children are getting the worst of you right now and everything seems to be a struggle, the Parenting with Understanding program is your life raft. And I'm waiting for you on top of that life raft, and I want to help you get out of your situation, get out of that mud, get out of your vicious cycle. But you need to take that first step. All our High Impact Club members are committed parents that know that in order to educate children in respect, they need to educate themselves first. If you are one of us, if you are a committed parent to raising your children from understanding, I encourage you to join us in our members area. How do you get login information to our members area and start transforming your life? By accessing any of High Impact Club's products. I'll see you inside and keep parenting your children with understanding. Go right now to marcelacollier.com. I have the link in the description box and you can unlock right now your parenting with understanding potential. Keep parenting your children with understanding. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more parenting content every week. Bye!